Hi friends, my name is Ganesh Padala. Thanks for visiting our channel. If you came to our channel for the first time, click on subscribe button. And this is one kind of podcast I'm planning on our channel. So with my thoughts and experiences after seeing this around 15 years of professional life and around 17 years of education. So in my life, based on that, I'm putting certain kind of sentences and I want to talk about personal experiences. If we do 10 things in our life, we must ensure at least one for the society. So mostly we like we have dreams and we have a family and we have personal goals, passion, and we need financial requirements to take care about our family, or we take care about our dreams. Like if someone wanted to have a luxury car, or someone want to have a villa, their dream, or else someone wants to study in certain kind of university, or someone wants to settle in certain country or certain place in India. So everywhere, so everybody will have their own things. We always focus on that and we run. That's part of life. Okay. But if you do 10 things in our life and ensure at least one for the society, it can be feeding people, or it can be giving education to the people, or helping someone to educate very good student, but financially they're not good. So helping those kind of things, or else if someone wants to do certain kind of thing, giving suggestions or financially support, or helping for someone to get a job. Okay, if you have a good reference, spend few minutes, talk to the friends, also talk to any known managers if there is any opportunity. If they have, they can help like that. Or someone doing something for the society. It can society means we don't have to change thousands of people. At least one or two people, three people, if we can help, that will be giving enough satisfaction. So even in 2007, I started receiving my first income, my first earning. So just to increase my English communication skills, I used to go to steel plant in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. So just to teach mathematics, science, and all to the kids of fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. So those students I used to go and teach. For me also, 2 hours I can talk in English, because I was okay to write, but to talk completely zero, because completely Telugu medium. So I need a platform where I can talk in English continuously for 2 hours of time. So those students don't have shy whether they're talking right grammar or wrong. They don't have any hesitation. They can talk fluently, and I can construct my words with those students, because I didn't have shy because of the age gap. At least with any student, I have at least 10 or 12 years of senior to them. So I don't have that kind of shy. So I used to construct the words and I used to talk in English with them. It helped a lot to me. In 8 months, my way of talking was improved, and I was able to talk confidently, and the construction speed was increased. Earlier, to make one sentence, if I took 30 seconds, and later it became for example, if I initially I was taking 1 minute, 30 seconds, 20 seconds, so I was able to construct a little early. Now we are mostly habitual, so whatever we are talking, the way of accent or way of communication, we are talking continuously like our mother tongue. So that was my intention, to go and teach them, and also enjoy the journey of teaching. So I never expected I teach these many people and I make content and reach to 300 to 400,000 people across the world, say because of SAP. Because I used to tell those students that you may have next year new tuition teacher, and every year you will see new teachers in your class, because you are going to study for 10 more years or 15 more years in your life. But you are the first and last students for me, because I'm going to industry. Like at that point of time, mostly I go to pharmaceutical or any kind of industry with my chemistry post graduation, but no teaching to college, and SAP is nowhere in the mind in 2007. So I used to tell around 16 students, but today our family has become 400,000, 300 to 400,000. Few people would have become managers, people would have different positions, but one day they can definitely, when they remember SAP, yes, I learned from Ganesh videos, or I learned certain concepts from Ganesh videos, or that makes a lot of happiness. And it gives me like immense pleasure, and I achieved something in my life. So that's what the thing, like even this helping also, I tried different kind of helping. So in 2007, like I mentioned, that when I was getting 2,500, 2,300, the money from that tuition, I started first help ever program. Like I used to donate rice to the old people during my second year of MSc, and later I moved to different city for my job. Then later I used to continue in my village. So now it became like a habit to do different activities, orphanages, different donations, so food, clothes, and even shelter also we helped, and giving books to different students. Okay, and giving knowledge via YouTube, and it became huge, and it will be 24/7. These kind of charity activities I may do occasionally during my birthday or some YouTube achievements or my son birthday or any kind of special occasions only we do it. But this YouTube channel knowledge sharing has become 24/7. So whether I'm busy or I'm not making videos, or whether whatever I do, I'm busy with work, still the knowledge is being shared to all the members. So everyone, whatever you like, it doesn't mean that you have to share knowledge, you have to start YouTube channel and sharing videos. No, you like to make a document, you can make a document. Or you cannot do everything, then any one or two people who need some help, you can just give some time, or financially you can help, or do something like a plantation. You like the plantation, everybody in the future need that plants. If you give some 100 plants to the society, so in your village or in your locality, so whatever we do, I'm mentioning like at least one we need to do it. Okay, if you like, you do two or three. I'm not asking, and I don't recommend to do 8 things or 9 things. If you do 8 things for the society, then our family and ourselves also won't be there, because nobody will respect our close members. Because if you're completely doing everything for society, then how can you earn for your kids, and how can they give a better life for them, and how can you take care about your parents with a good financial support for them to give a good medication, because their age is most of our parents like 60, 50, 70. So whatever different ages of parents we have, so who will take care about them? Nobody will take care. Even the society also will not take care, right? So you do 9 things or 8 things or 7 things for you, for your passion, for your health, for your family, for your parents, for your extended family like siblings. Do 7 8 things, but at least 1 or 2 things let's do for society. That will make a huge difference. I'm doing, and I'm not I'm giving whatever sentences, examples, everything from my life. I just wanted to share. It's not something like someone has to adopt it. So whatever you feel like, if you feel any good thing, definitely you can adopt it. Otherwise you can just take it in a positive way. So, and I mentioned some statement, right? If you people completely sacrifice their life for the society, that is their way of thinking. But definitely those kind of people, if you see, mostly not accepted by family, or not accepted by the children, because we have to take care about them, and their good education, or good health, good facilities for them. So all those things we need to take care, and then we can think about society. That is enough actually. If everybody takes care about one activity, we have millions of people who are working, doing things. Definitely we can decrease those people who are not able to study, although they are having good intelligence. Or there are many people not able to eat 2 times or 1 time per day. So those people we can give certain kind of a food. So a lot of things can make it. If you do at least one, everybody will do at least one. If you like more, you can do 2 or 3 or 4 activities. So let's make it as a habitual. Okay, and let's make an impact. Whether you like plantation, whether you like food donation, whether you like education, help, whatever, we have multiple areas are there. You can choose whatever you like. Then only you can enjoy. Doesn't mean that someone has told you start it, you're not able to enjoy, then you cannot do for a long time. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening my words, and take it in a sportive way. Whatever we spoke, we just our experiences. There are many people started their own orphanage. I cannot even imagine that. So although financially I can do, or although I have like I like to do those kind of a thing, but I cannot imagine to start my own orphanage and doing that one, because everybody has the strength and that level of wish, right? So we need to do within our limits and within our wish. Whatever you can do, then you can enjoy and you can do more things. So if you have an intention to do it, today you're helping 10 people, tomorrow it will become 1,000 people, because you are growing, and God will give you enough strength and help to grow financially and mentally. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel for more SAP videos and career suggestions. Thank you.